In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a new worksheet into a workbook. So if we go to our 08 Spa Services workbook we've been working in, we're going to click the Wednesday tab. And there's multiple ways you can do this. We can right-click on Wednesday and insert a worksheet. We can also go up to the Home tab, click Insert in the Cell group, Insert Sheet, and we can also click the little plus sign and insert our sheet. And we're going to take this, we're going to put it at the end, we're going to rename it. We're going to rename it Survey. And then we're going to go back. We're going to click on our Wednesday, click plus. We're going to rename this one. We're going to name it Totals. So we should have totals, we should have our lookout, and we should have our survey. And that's how you add sheets to your workbook. It's not hard, just a pretty basic skill. I hope this has helped.